Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a couple days since I posted. That was the plan, was to try to do a video a day, but life got in the way. So I'm trying again to get started. Didn't have to work today, had to go handle a speeding ticket I got about a year ago now, and things went pretty well for me because the officer didn't show up, so the case got dismissed. I got a bunch of new parts for my Yamaha today, and the day before, and the day before that, and the day before that. So I got a bunch to show you. We already got it kind of started. It's washed and torn down mostly. Wiring harness is stripped off, and I'm gonna pull the axle and the swing arm, and I'm not gonna powder coat them, but I'm gonna do like a bed liner type spray so that I can kind of protect it a little bit. I just don't have the time to powder coat it right now. Otherwise I will. Otherwise I would rather. So give me a second and we'll show it to you right now. Okay, well, I washed it all right here and drained the oil and all the crazy stuff, and there's some boots in the seat, and there's the plastics taken off. Got the Cowie cleaned too while I had the chance. The garage is still a disaster from when I unloaded the truck, and basically just a disaster because it's the way that it works. So I got it completely cleaned down, at least more clean than I usually do when I wash it. Plastics are stripped, the skid plate is off, it's over there, and so it's clean-ish. I'm going to pull that brake pedal off because I'm going to put on the Fast Company brake return spring, and then I'm going to redo the whole rear brake system. New rotor, new pads. I think the caliper is good. I have a new brake line for it. New sprockets, new chains, brand new carrier over here in the box. Oh, and I got to get a new subframe because the bolts over here are all blown out. So I've got new spark plug, new little rubber spacer deal there, and then in here is the handlebar clamp, because the handlebars, if you look carefully, you can see there's a ton of excess play up there in the handlebars, and we don't want there to be any excess play. So I got a new clamp for that. Swing arm bearing kit, it's right here. Front brake lines are there. Here's that Tusk billet carrier that I went ahead and bought. I'm gonna give it a shot and we'll see what happens. It looks good. Just been told to pump it full of grease, so that's what we're gonna do. Precision stabilizer rebuild kit, that's the original Vortex off of it. I got some of them fancy Fast Company tie-down straps that we can use the next time we strap it down into the truck. And then here's this brand new wiring harness. I'm gonna like fumble the camera for a minute. And if you look at it, this is the brand new Jimmy Bort's wiring harness. All of it's here. It's in all really good shape. I think he used it one time is what he said, but otherwise it's basically brand new. So this is gonna hopefully eliminate all of my wiring issues. All the stator plug or the rectifier plug, and it still has the fan relay on it, but fuel pump relay has been deleted. Stator plug, and then coil wires and TPS, and it still uses the factory idle management deal. And then because he's awesome like that, he went ahead and sent me a new kill switch, which will mount back here on the bars, just where the other one did. And then start button, which just where the other one sat was right here, so we'll mount it back to the bars right here, and we'll be good to go. So after I get all that, there's a new chain in here. Oh, and this is a steering stem bearing kit, which I'll get put on eventually. And then there it is. So there's that rear brake rotor we're gonna throw on. I think tonight I'm just gonna go ahead and get it torn down. And then I will check in with you. I'm going to try to find my tripod and set up some time-lapse stuff so you can watch me get it done. Hopefully it doesn't look as slow or as bad as I think it will, but I guess we'll find out. Stick around. carrier still in. The brake rotor there is on the ground. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with the front-facing camera so I can see what's going on. The whole back end of the quad's a little wonky, but I mean, it's kind of the point of taking the whole back end of the quad apart, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and kick it back to the time lapse and start tearing the rest of the back end apart. And then once it's all apart, we can look at everything on the ground. Okay, well, I got it done. The swing arm here is torn apart in the ground. All the little bits and pieces, the chain slide, the old chain is off. All the parts and axle and stuff is over there. Shock, the eyelets are down there. The pull rod. I got all the parts over here ready to go on. I got to clean this thing up first. And then I'm gonna paint it. I'm not gonna paint it. I'm gonna like rhino line it. Basically, it's a truck bed liner because I'm not gonna powder coat it. But that'll be in another video. Hopefully, I'll get it done. We're trying to ride Sunday. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll try to get another video posted up Friday or Saturday. Sorry, I don't have anything from our ride last weekend. I didn't really have a camera person, and I couldn't find my tripod. So, but anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Awesome. Have a good one.